Every industry has unique challenges. Generic solutions don't cut it. We've learned what works in yours.
What you generally find in the financial advice industry, specifically in Australia, is that there's quite a lot of administration and quite a lot of compliance. So there's a lot of paperwork that's involved. And that paperwork needs to be completed, otherwise you run the risk of losing your license. So we find that specifically where AI and RPA or any type of automation can help streamline that whole process, we find that advisors are very open to that and are willing to have that conversation.
I'm in the manufacturing space, and I work with a lot of smaller-ish automotive and aerospace and defense contractors. And what Valenta allows for me to do is it positions the robotic process automation, intelligent automation, data analytics very nicely, in the sense that they can afford it and we deliver high quality as well. So it's affordability and high quality service, a combination of both of those that allow us to penetrate that market and get our foot in the door and kind of spread our wings from there.
Your industry, your challenges, our expertise. Let's talk.